Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about insurance claim. What is an insurance claim? How an insurance claim works, the types of insurance claim, special consideration and the insurance claim FAQs. An insurance claim, as the word suggests, is a formal request by a policyholder to an insurance company for coverage or compensation for a covered loss or policy event. The insurance company validates the claim or denies the claim. If it is approved, the insurance company will issue payment to the insured or an approved interested party on behalf of the insured. Insurance claim covers everything from death benefits on life insurance policies to routine and comprehensive medical exams. In some cases, a third party is able to file claims on behalf of the insured person. However, in the majority of cases, only the person listed on the policy is entitled to claim payments. So first and foremost, the insurance claim needs to be validated, and once approved, the insurance company issues payment to the insured or the approved interested party on behalf of the insured. How an insurance claim works. A paid insurance claim serves to indemnify a policyholder against financial loss. An individual or group pays premiums as consideration for the completion of an insurance contract between the insured party and an insurance carrier. The most common insurance claims involve costs for medical goods and services, physical damage, loss of life, liability for the ownership of dwellings, homeowners, landlords and renters, and liability resulting from the operations of automobiles. For property and casualty insurance policies, regardless of the scope of an accident or who was at fault, the number of insurance claims you file has a direct impact on the rate you pay to gain coverage, typically through installment payments called insurance premiums. The greater the number of claims that are filed by a policyholder, the greater the likelihood of a rate hike. In some cases, it's possible if you file too many claims that the insurance company may decide to deny you the coverage. If the claim is being filed based on the damage to the property that you caused, your rates will almost surely rise. On the other hand, if you aren't at fault, your rates may or may not increase. For example, getting hit from behind when your car is parked, or having siding blow off your house during a storm are both events that are clearly not the result of the policyholder. Have a mitigating circumstances such as number of previous claims you have filed, the number of speeding tickets you have received, the frequency of natural disasters in your area, earthquakes, hurricanes, floods, and even a low credit rating can all cause your rates to go up, even if the latest claim was made for damage you didn't cause. When it comes to insurance rates increases, not all the claims are created equal. Dog bites, slip and fall, personal injury claims, water damage, and mold can all act as signals of future liability for an insurer. These items tend to have a negative impact on your rates and your insurer's willingness to continue providing coverage. Surprisingly, speeding tickets may not cause a rate hike at all. Types of insurance claims. Health insurance claims, costs for surgical procedures or inpatient hospital stays remain prohibitively expensive. Individual or group health policies indemnify patients against financial burdens that may cause crippling financial damage. Policyholders must file paper claims when medical providers do not participate in electronic transmittals. The charges result from rendered covered services. Ultimately, an insurance claim protects an individual from the prospect of large financial burdens resulting from an accident or illness. Property and casualty claims. A house is typically one of the largest assets an individual will purchase in their lifetime. A claim filed for damage from covered perils is initially routed via the internet to a representative of an insurer, commonly referred as agent or claims adjuster. Unlike health insurance claims, the onus on the policyholder to report damage to a deeded property they own. An adjuster, depending on the type of claim, inspects and assesses damage to property for the payment to the insured. Upon verification of the damage, the adjuster initiates the process of compensation or reimbursement. Life insurance claims require submission of a claim form, a death certificate, and oftentimes the original policy. The process, especially for large face value policies, may require in-depth examination by the carrier to the insured that the death of an insured did not fall under contract exclusion, such as suicide, usually excluded for the first few years after the policy inception, or death resulting from a criminal act. Generally, the process takes approximately 30 to 60 days without extenuating circumstances, affording beneficiaries the financial wherewithal to replace the income of the deceased or simply cover the burden of final expenses. Filing an insurance claim may raise future insurance premiums. There are no hard and fast rules around rate hikes. How do I initiate an insurance claim? If you hold an insurance policy and have experienced damages covered by it, you can initiate a claim by contacting your insurer. This can be done by phone and increasingly online. Once the claim has been stated, the insurer will collect relevant information from you and may ask for evidence. Humans have always been fond of fast things, be it fast cars, fast food, or fast services. We do not like to wait for. That's true with getting our insurance claims settled too. Insurance is based on the concept of indemnity, and thus when we suffer a loss, we seek quick settlement of claim in order to be restored financially back to the position where we were prior to the loss. At times, it can get difficult to wait for money, as with waiting for everything else. Let's go through the common reasons for delay in an insurance claim and find out ways to avoid such delays and catalyze the whole process. Non-submission of required documents. The most common and major challenge for an insured person is to understand, arrange, and submit all required documents required for claim processing. Even the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India states that turnaround time of an insurance company only starts from the day of final submission of all the required documents. A number of claims get delayed because of this. The best way to tackle this issue is to comprehend the actual requirements of the company. How to accelerate the claim process? Cases where claim is delayed and reasons are unknown, even after all the requirements are met and the process undergone. In such cases, an insured has following ways to accelerate. You can involve your agent to find out why exactly the claim is stuck. Most companies, TPAs, provide login access to their clients, writing emails to concerned team regularly and asking for updates. Hope this video has been helpful for you regarding insurance claim, and if you do wish to know anything else, do mention in the comments. Bye bye and take care. Safe watching. Stay safe and stay healthy.